Hello guys, I welcome you to this video. In this video I want to show you how to properly use the lens flare effect from the PicsArt application. So now if you don't know what a lens flare effect is, let me show you from some of my designs what a lens flare effect is. As you can see right here, okay, let me just use this one. This effect on this picture that is like a reflection, it is called a lens flare effect. So it is used on designs to make them look nice. It makes your design to look nice, to look alive. So but this lens flare effect, you don't just have to place it anywhere at all. So you have to learn how to place it strategically and how to choose the right one and blend it in with your design so that it's going to match your design and make your design look nice. Okay guys, so let me go straight away to PicsArt application and show you how to properly use this lens flare effect. Let's jump right inside. So here is my PicsArt application. So if you don't have this app, make sure you download it. PicsArt, look at the name at the top right there. So now when you come into this PicsArt application, you click on this plus button at the down part here. When you tap on it, it's going to open your gallery. So you just have to go ahead and choose the picture you want to use for the lens flare effect. So let me go ahead and select the picture that I want. Okay, let me go ahead and select. Let me just choose from my designs. Okay, let me go here. Let me select from my design. Let me go to gallery. Okay, so now let me select. Okay, from here I want to select this particular design. Let us use it. Let me use it and show you how to do that properly. So now when you select the design, sometimes an ad will just show up, so you just have to wait for it to finish up, then you can continue. So let's just wait for this ad to finish up so we can continue. There is no button to cancel it yet. I would have cancelled the ad, so let's just wait. Sorry, I will have to restart the app again. So when you encounter such ads, you just have to close your app and open it again and still continue from where you stopped. Alright, so the same procedure, you go and select the picture you want to use. Okay, now let me still go back to the place. Alright, okay, here is the picture. So now when you select the picture, you just have to close this. When you now select the picture you want to use, so the next thing you want to do is to slide like this. Look at it here, lens flare at the down part here. Look at it here, lens flare. So you just have to tap on it, and when you tap on it, it's going to load. So but you have to make sure that you have data and your network is connected. So once it opens like this, so these various lens flare effects that are available on this application. So you don't just have to tap on any of them and use them. So you just have to be strategic. So the ones I normally use most times are these ones, like this one here, sometimes this one, sometimes this one. It depends on what I want. So for now, let me just go with this particular one here. Alright, now this is the effect. Look at it right here. Sorry. Okay, so look at the effect right here. So with this button, this arrow here, you can expand it. You can expand it, you can reduce it. So let me expand it a bit, but not much. Okay. So now the next thing, you can redirect this one here. You can redirect it. Okay, let me just keep it here. Then let me carry this one and place it beside her neck. Then I will redirect this one. I'll place it like this. So now when you are placing this lens flare effect, you see how I placed it. So the particular point it's showing from is not showing, but the effect is reflecting on the image. As you can see, you can increase it or reduce it. So now the next thing is this sliding button down here. You can change the color of that effect. Look at it. As you slide left or right, you change the color of the effect. So you have to change it depending on the color of your design, or on the yes, depending on the color of your design. So most times you just have to leave it, because some of them comes with the color that you will like. So but if it's one, okay, let me close this one. Now let me bring in another one that is not having that color. Okay, let's go for this one. As you can see, this one is having a purple color. Look at it. So I didn't place this on the body of this of her, on her on her body. I didn't place it on her body, so I place it outside. Then I will now expand the reflection. It will now touch her body or her face, any parts of it. So look at it here. So you just have to change the color if you like, depending on what you want. So let me leave the color here. Okay, let me leave it here, so I can expand it a bit but not much. Okay, so as you can see right now, the lens flare effect is active on this particular design. So maybe I don't like this one. Let me go back. Let me choose another one. So I'm just showing you how to place it strategically. Okay, so that when next you want to design, you know how best to place it. So this one, no, I don't like this one. I'll go back and I'll pick another one. Let me go with this. This is the one I used earlier. So I just have to increase the effect, okay, but not much. All right, then I can choose to change the color. I can choose to change the color, but not that much. Okay, all right, okay, let me leave it like this. Not really what I want. Wait. Okay, let me leave it like this. So you place it off, then but the effect is going to be touching the design or whatever you want it to be touching. So now this opacity down here is for you to reduce the brightness of it. Look at it, for you to reduce the brightness. Then this blending here is for you to blend in according to what you want. Look at it, lighting, screen. So but normally using this screen is the best. So I'll go back to the color, and I think I'm done. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. So I'll have to add another one. I'll click here and I'll go and I will select another one. So this time around I want to add it on that mic at the top there. Alright, on that mic at the top there. So let me just choose this one here. Okay, let me just choose it and place it on the body of the mic, so that it will look like also a reflection. If you look at that mic, you will see that there is a light reflection there. So I want to use this lens flare effect to make it to look more real. Look at it. So you can make it to look more real. Okay, you can still change the color if you want. All right, okay, so this is it. So it's now looking as if the light is actually there. Okay, look at it. So you have to place it strategically, so not just anywhere at all, you just place it. So as you can see, all these parts here, sorry, as you can see right here, all this part I didn't use lens flare effect on it, because there's no need there. There's no need using lens flare effect on those areas. So guys, this is how to apply this lens flare effect. So after you are done, you just have to tap on this good icon at the top and just wait for some seconds for it to load. Okay, look at it. So but if you look at it now, you will find out that the color is different. The color of this one and this one is different. So but it's not supposed to be so. So in this case, what I advise you to do is to use the same lens flare effect you use maybe on the mic. You use it the same on the image, or use the same one you use on the image on the mic so that the color will be the same, because if the color is not the same, it's not going to look nice. So after you have done that, you now save your design. Okay, look at the save button here. Just have to tap on it. Let me close this. Okay, you just have to tap on it and your design has been saved to your gallery. So now let's go to my gallery. Let's see what it's looking like. Look at it right here. So this is the design we just added the lens flare effect on. As you can see here, it's looking real and nice. It's looking real and nice. So it's not overshadowing the design, it's not too much on the design, it's not, excessive. So it's just nice, it's just normal. So this is basically how to use or how to place the lens flare effect on any design at all. So I believe with this one you will learn how to do it best, so that when next you want to use it, you won't make mistakes, or you won't start doing it the wrong way. So let's look at this one I did. Okay, as you can see, the color here is the same color here because I used the same lens effect I used on her body on the mic also. So as you can see, the color here is the same color here. So that's how it's supposed to be. So this video is just meant to educate you more on how to use this particular effect on designs. So as you can see here also, I use it here. See, it's looking real, like it's looking real, as if there's a light shining in front of this microphone right here. So the lens flare effect is meant to make your design pop. It's meant to make it look real and nice. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you will go and practice all this that I just said now, and make sure you get it right. So thanks for watching.